My brothers and sisters, I don't come again. Make una see am o. Make una see am what it is to have a good environment. If you have a good environment, you attract investors. We get all these things for our place, so make una see am na we still there for seaside o. Where dey waka since on top of sea me I dey o. If make I dey record this video from there, e long. I go take bus, I go come down, nothing. You go see people. Only here, and all these things where they see here. You see this big building where they here. And only restaurant they there. Each restaurant where they nearest to the sea. Know how much money where the people they pay here to eat food only. Understand? Very, very expensive to eat food for all these restaurants where they near sea. Tell me for this, all this our riverine area. Tell me where look like this. All of them they polluted. Nothing. You know, no, it's only that place alone where God don't give us, where God don't take bless us. If those riverine area then develop them, if you see all this your governor, all this your religious leader, all these people we call themselves elite, say them better for you. See all these things, no be anything. Those riverine areas supposed to be clean more than this place. This was a small thing make I dey show. Make we go that building. I dey tell una say na restaurant. Make una know so wetin I dey talk say na true. Understand? There na restaurant. You no go fit chop there. Understand? You no go fit eat there because of the make una see how these people no be both foreigner they come here. Check how much every year. Make I tell you this country every year as summer don dey come soon now. Understand? Then go tell you how many foreigners will enter the country. Understand? How many millions of foreigners will come visit their country because now there then they live, then they get money from you know see everywhere in a restaurant. So then go tell you how many foreigners will come their country. Understand? How much money will them don't make? You know, sir, na seaside, na riverine area. Make una dey see with una 2 eyes. Understand? So make una start dey ask all these monkey questions. We call themselves leader. See, if they see them be leader, why these things no dey like this for una place? For that why all these are riverine area, and so people supposed to dey come. You know how much money we go they make? Only say people come, tourist people come to visit that place. We get everything. We could they keep them here. Now they them for the run, they come to enjoy their life. Understand? Una no see. So now make I still show una make una dey see am. No be say I just dey do. You know, una no see. Now make you see freedom na must. Anything wey person they tell you now wayo, make you no listen to that. Understand? If you want things like this, so make you that do it. Understand? Make I see drop this one. Thank you. As you are doing this, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our subscription. Subscribe.